I've imported multiple characters in the past, but let me do it again because I have a new character from the last video. Here I have the character prefab. I'm going to drag it under Sophie. Okay, I'm going to turn off Sophie here. Now, I cannot upload this prefab on my GitHub because it's a paid asset from the Unity Asset Store, but the process of using a character that's rigged in mixamo.com is pretty much the same. So let me just show you how I'm going to turn this into a playable character. First, let me bring this back outside because I want to create the ragdoll. I'm going to right click, 3D object, ragdoll, and we're going to go through the ragdoll wizard. I'm going to start with the hips and drag in all the parts. So that's the knee, that's the upper leg or left hip, left knee, that's the foot. Same thing on the right leg, that's the knee. So here's the hip, knee, and the foot. Same thing with the left arm. That's the arm. Forearm is the elbow. So left arm. Forearm is the elbow. Right arm. Right elbow. Here's the spine. Okay, here's the head. And I'm going to create. I'm going to make some adjustments. The head is a little too small. The collider. Okay, so that's the head. I'm also going to look at the left arm because I want to separate the arm and the hand. So adjust the capsule collider. Okay, and for the hand, I'm going to create a new sphere collider. Make it match the hand. Okay, I'm going to copy this over to the right side. So copy component. Where's the right arm? Okay, paste it into the forearm. And the left hand is going to have a rigid body, as well as the character joint. For now, I'm just going to copy paste the character joint from the upper part. Drag in the connected body. I should adjust the numbers later, but for now, this will do. And the same thing with the right hand. I'm going to copy the sphere collider. So it's exactly the same size. And the rigid body. Copy the character joint. Again, I'm going to come back to this later and then make the adjustments, but for now this will do. Okay, so it looks like the upper body is pretty good. I'm going to work on the lower body now. So here's the left leg and the foot. Again, I want to do the same thing. Separate the leg and the foot. Make the adjustments. Maybe could be a little bigger. Oh, not the upper leg, the lower leg. Okay, I'm going to work on the foot. Capsule collider. Doesn't have to be a perfect match, but just do your best. Okay, that looks about right. Maybe a little too big, but that's fine. So here's the left leg. Copy the capsule collider into the right leg. Paste the values. Okay, in the left foot, add the rigid body and the character joint. Make sure that the joint is connected to the proper part. So left foot is connected to the left leg. Okay, I'm going to copy the same values into the right foot. Copy as new, rigid body. We also add the character joint. Make sure the right foot is connected to the right leg. Okay. Okay, I think we have all the colliders ready. Now I'm going to drag this back into our Sophie, the character game object. I'll rename it K-pop character. Okay, here's the prefab in the game object. Now, instead of having Sophie here in the skin mesh animator, I'm going to drag our new character. Okay, let's also make sure that root motion is turned off. And that should be everything. Wait, I'm forgetting a few more things. For the controller, I'm going to use the default player controller. This is the same controller that Sophie's working on. And we also got to drag in each of the body parts, the attacking body parts. So left foot attack. Right foot attack. Left hand attack. Right hand is the right hand attack. Now that should be everything. If I play, theoretically everything should be the same. Okay. So it looks like all of the abilities are working exactly the same. It's just that we don't have the Sophie 3D model anymore. Let me also look at the layers. Default for K-pop, default for Sophie. So it looks like everything is fine. I'm going to turn this into a prefab now. I'll put it in my custom folder, drag it in, and instead of the original prefab, I'm going to select prefab variant. This is because I want all of the changes that I make to Sophie get applied the same way to this variant. I should delete these characters that we're not using anymore, Elf and the Cyber Soldier. Okay, these are all characters. They're no longer in use, so delete them. Again, this custom folder is not going to be on my GitHub, but the process of using mixamo.com and importing different characters is exactly the same. Let me play the game one more time. Okay, this character does have some lengthy arms and legs, so it does look a little clunky, but I can always fine-tune more later. The punch, the kick, and the area attack. Let me also try the trap. Okay, the ragdoll needs more work too, but I'll do more as I go on. So that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me on my Discord server. I have all the links below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.